Hi viewers, welcome to East Midlands Parkway Railway Station. I think it's a museum, I thought. Right, it's 12:30 on a Thursday afternoon. The next train coming this platform is a 12:35 to Nottingham. Be about 6 minutes time. That way goes to London, I think. South, yep. Ratcliffe on Soar, whatever it's called. Power station. No longer producing coal power. Very quiet here today. I'm on the M1 here. No trains about either. I thought it might have been busier than this. I'm being watched by someone down the other end of the platform in his high vis. He's gone into the station now, but he was watching me. That way goes to Sheffield, Nottingham. That's correct then, isn't it? Yeah, I'll come off the motorway just now and I'll come off in that direction, see, so that's northbound, isn't it? Yeah. And that is southbound. Welcome to East Midlands Parkway Railway Station, folks. That way is northbound. Ratcliffe on Soar Power Station, which is no longer functioning, no longer producing coal power. That way southbound. And there's a train due in a minute, yeah. The airport is over there somewhere. East Midlands Airport, yeah. You can still hear the cooling towers cooling off. But one day, my friends, these towers might not actually be here at all. Might be a Tesco's.
Your personal belongings with you at all times. If you think that this doesn't look right, speak to a member of that team or the British Transport Force. You can text the British Transport Force on 67016.
Here comes the train to Nottingham. Five carriages apparently. What number is it today? 22018, that one.
Railway operates a penalty fare scheme at this station. You must have a right to travel through the following streets. If you do not have a right, you will be charged a penalty fare.
Did you hear that? You get £100 if you haven't got a ticket before you get on the train, look at. That train going to Leicester. Right, on the other side of the station, East Midlands Railway number 511, that one. This train coming now is going to London. Number is going to be, let me have a look, 222022, that one. Quite a busy train as well, that is. If you've got smelly vision, you can smell the diesel. Two 022, yeah. Off to London. What would I give to be on that train now?
Operates a penalty fare scheme at this station. You must have a right to travel
222001, that one. It's a long train on a short platform. And people are standing up. is not a passenger door, it's for train crew use only, that says on there. Quite a few people asleep as well. Train just coming over there, 533 East Midlands Regional Railway. We'll see it in a minute when it gets over here. Going to Lincoln. It's got 2 carriages in it. I've been here about half an hour and I've seen more trains in Alfreton, which is only a single 9-track railway than I have here. Well, I say single 9, it's like one, it's only 2 tracks, isn't it? You know, 1 north, 1 south in Alfreton. That one's going to Lincoln.